Okay, this gas can, it looks like a regular gas can, but it's not. If you turn the filler cap on it and you lift, it's really a toolbox. I think it's pretty cool. And then this opens up and it has 2 drawers. They're pretty deep. Anyways, I'm gonna remove the drawers, and it has some felt lining on it on the inside. I'm gonna remove all the felt lining and I'm gonna blast the outside of the can, and then I'm gonna powder coat it satin black. So let's get started. All right. Gotta take all this off so it doesn't melt in the oven. Trying to clean all the glue off. Let me take the filler cap apart. I think I'm gonna sandblast it just like that. And then I'll remove the filler cap. There it is. Okay, it's all been sandblasted. There's a couple spots on it that I missed. It's underneath the handle, but I'll take care of that. And then clean it up, powder coat it satin black. Took a little while to sandblast it. I use that sandblaster, and the cabinet's not that big, so it took a little while. Take that off right now. Phone down to do it. Okay, just masked off the filler hole. So I'm gonna clean the outside now, and then I'm gonna shoot the black satin powder on it. So take this last look at it before I shoot the powder, because I'm just gonna show what it looks like when I'm done. I'm not gonna like show the powder coating part. Okay, this is before, and this is after. I just brought it back in and finished installing the filler cap. Install the drawers and the felt, and here's how she looks. Came out really nice, black and red. So thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and catch you next time.